and I owe you everything. When I fell down, you caught me. When I was in trouble, you rescued me.
I should not be here today, but you spared me.
I owe you everything. I did not ask for a family, but you have gifted me. I did not want to live,
But you did not allow death to conquer me. Because you have a plan,
a best and good plan for my life.
here I am, Lord, I'm excited to testify that great testimony.
I am waiting and I believe in the time appointed,
Because you make all things beautiful in your time.
Amen.